I am Alesha Metter, and I own my power thanks to POWERHOME Solar. What sold me on going solar was I wanted to produce my own energy. I did not want to depend on the big power companies to power my home. I wanted to also show my children that we can do this ourselves and generate our own electricity, so they acknowledge the importance every time they turn that light switch on and off and know that we're doing that as a family and not somebody else for us. I would show them the bills. They saw the $500-600 bill prior to going solar, and then when I showed them that first $6 bill after we had the panels, you could tell it clicked in their head. My sales rep was outstanding. He was kind, educational, and very patient. Made sure I knew exactly what I was getting myself into, and he just made the experience amazing, and I gained a friend out of it as well. The Metter House is the place where everybody comes. We love to entertain people. Everybody comes here. I have a hot tub on 24/7. The pool is on. The bar's open outside. So everybody's here, inside, outside, in the basement, and we always have people here to entertain and make happy. You can and are producing your own energy is the best feeling in the world. I am Alesha Metter, and I own my power thanks to POWERHOME Solar.